Many store-bought apples are coated with wax to preserve freshness and improve appearance. I'll be sharing two simple methods to help you enjoy your apples wax-free. Our first method involves soaking the apples in a mixture of warm water, salt and baking soda. Stir and let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. This mixture helps break down the wax. After soaking, gently scrub each apple with a soft brush or sponge to remove the wax. Then rinse the apples under cold running water to wash off any remaining salt and baking soda. Finally, dry your apples with a clean towel and they are ready to enjoy. The only issue with this method is that it is time consuming and it doesn't always remove the wax totally. It depends on how much coating is on the apple. To totally eliminate wax, simply peel your apples with a peeler or a knife to remove the skin. This method is quick and effective, especially if you're in a hurry. Do you already use one of these methods to clean your apples, or do you have a different technique? Or maybe you eat your apples straight without cleaning? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video so others can learn, and most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss other videos like this. Bye.